Hey singers, do you want to know the only breathing technique you'll ever need for singing and belting? Don't complicate breathing. Don't watch another long, unnecessary tutorial on YouTube on breathing. Just use the singer's breath. It's natural and you do it every day, so it's not very different than that. Give me the next 5 minutes and I'll show you how you can find the singer's breath and use it for singing and belting. If you want to know more about breathing, just drop me a line in the comments and I'll reach out to you to give you a free infographic on breathing technique. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Energy, I'm a vocal coach and I'm also the creator of the 7 Days Belting program. And I helped hundreds of singers to sing any high song they want in just 7 days. So give me the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how you can find the singer's breath, and this is going to be the only breathing technique you'll ever need in your life for singing and belting. Okay, the best is when you go and you stand in front of a mirror to check how you breathe in. This is the first step, check how you breathe in. If you go in front of a mirror and you breathe in and you are like this, when your chest goes up, look. This is not the singer's breath. This is way too difficult. It's when you breathe into your chest. It looks like this from the side. Okay, so when you have that, then you gotta change. And I'll show you how. First of all, you breathe out everything you have in your lungs with an F. Put your hands on your belly and just breathe it out. And this way, it's so much more easier for the belly to just release and go out, because that's the singer's breath. I'll show you from the side. You breathe out everything you got with an F. And the belly just goes out and releases, and it's all relaxed. So the natural way to breathe in the singer's breath is when you just relax your belly and you breathe into your mouth, very relaxed, like this. Do it with me. You see the chest is not moving so much, just a little bit. Your belly is very relaxed. You just release it to go out. This is the natural way to breathe. When we sleep, we breathe this way. When we are babies, we breathe this way. We're not stressed out. When we're stressed out, we breathe into the chest more. And that's not useful, because just try. Breathe into the chest and look how your belly behaves. It's not released, it's not relaxed, it just goes in, it's really blocked, you know? One more time. There's no relaxation in here, but when you go into the belly and are relaxed and release it, then it can go out, then you're free. So anytime you want to practice singing, just go in front of a mirror and check that you breathe into your belly. But the belly is relaxed. And that's actually all. You can try it with a note on O. O. And then you can implement it into a song. So every time you have a line to sing, you just breathe before the line, very quick into your belly, into your mouth, very relaxed, and release your belly, just be relaxed, okay? So if you want to know more about breathing, just drop me a line below. I'll reach out to you and I'll give you a free infographic on breathing.